Grabe guys, labas muna kami dito kasi grabe ang kabukot. So I feel like I have cough. What happened to you? Ito din, oh, injured din si Indira, oh. What up? Huh?
Nails. Little.
Nail?
I just put the slipper, that's why the blood.
You ano? What
Injection.
Huh?
Tetanus. I want to put.
Oo, because tetanus. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. That is not good.
Yeah.
Where did you
Here, like here.
did you remove that one?
Only little.
Where? Now she need injection also. Look.
खेला आएछ नि क्या
Here, थियो. The ठाडो पाएर चाहिँ.
भन्नाले लाउँछ लाउ मतलब भन्नु tetanus
Yes, the injection.
if the nail has rust
Yeah.
put the injection
Where is that? Here?
medicine near the uta paltol
Where can she?
There.
Is far?
Not there, the Didi house.
Then we have to put.
near 2 kilometer
Yeah, I know
West.
this Didi house. Can she? You have to put, huh? Oh my God.
It's only भइरहेछ
अनि बिस्तारी बिस्तारी उ जाउन भाउजू र तिमी जाउ न जाउ अनि
लिएर गत लिए नि
किन त्यो शंखा लिएर बस्नु
त्यही त
We have to put.
त्यो खेला आएछ भने चाहिँ ल
Let's go. It's far if we walk.
Not far. Near Didi house.
Let's go.
Maybe 10 minutes. Not in the house.
I'll call you, huh? But call first, Auntie. Where are they?
They said now finish.
And now we will wait them.
Yeah.
It's okay. We can wait. Like Deepak. It's
This
okay.
one is like that.
Where is it still there? Because
yeah.
we have to remove.
Near the shed.
Means.
This hardमा that's why we came outside.
Girl, me.
जान थाला बे? जानु
We'll bring you one.
यो खोइ निकालेको छु
Saan kaya yun? Kanchi, where is that Kanchi? I will see the, tingnan natin yung nails. Tingnan natin kung saan na yun. Hala. Kung sa Ilonggo, patok-tukon nga lang isang. That's why, no? Di naman.
I give him half, so I keep half there.
Oh.
I didn't see this one.
This sleeper also is not safe. Where you keep? And where? Yan daw.
Oh, show me. मलाई खुट्टामा
Ayan guys, oh. There is also another. Be careful, eh?
Because this one म किन को जाने त अनि पल्लो जान्छ एक्लै जान्छ नि भने
Wala daw siya ng blackberry. Injection na siya blackberry. Takot siya sa injection pero kuha siya blackberry. This is blackberry? I don't know. I did not see it. Blackberry. Later you will swim. Ay, hello. Oh, blackberry. Yeah. Oh. Meron. Bigay po siya. Mahulog ako. Game. Ito guys. So, kain daw kami guys. It's not poison?
Not poison, no.
Too much. Hala, Kanchi. Too much, Kanchi. Hala, ang dami. You eat.
Yeah, I'll eat one.
So, you eat first to make sure. Okay, kain tayo.
I want to taste.
Masarap.
And this one is sour.
Oh,
People are
there
eating
is more inside. This is yours? Ay, oo nga, no? Kasi sa lupa nila.
What is this?
Parang ang lansa. It's like there is fish taste. Marami. Ay, kuha Kanchi din inside, oh. Ang daming bunga. Oo. Hala, ang daming berry. Ay, this is berry trees. Hala, ang daming bunga. Kaso lang baka we will fall down here. Sandali, guys. Take care, Kanchi, ha?
Yeah. I'm just picking up for the snap. I'll make a snap.
Hala, ang daming bunga. Mga pinsan Deepak. Ayan yung nakaputi yung galing sa Amerika. Yung sabi ko sa inyo. Nagbebenta ng itlog, oh. Ikot-ikot. Yeah. Dito na sila, guys. Yeah. No, dito na sila, guys. Oh, you change now?
Yeah, exchange.
Pinalitan. Now we have to bring Indira also to inject tetanus.
Why?
Because the nail, no? She stepped in the nail.
Ah.
That's why she want to ask to Sorry's uncle. Hindi naman yun. Ito kami, guys.
Victim.
Another victim. Samahan ko si Indira. Si uncle, brother ng kanila, daddy. Tiyuhin nila ni Dipa. Ito pala si uncle, guys, before. Naksidente siya sa UAE. Binisita namin yan siya sa ICU sa Abu Dhabi. Sabi ni Dipa, baby, to see you.
Abu Dhabi?
Yeah. Padala lang siya ng pera. Tapos, paglabas niya, nabangga siya, guys. Hindi na siya umalik. Parang matis-able siya doon. Bakit hindi ako umihi? Dito tayo, guys. What is this pharmacy, Kanchi?
Yeah, medical.
Yeah, okay. So dito tayo sa kabilang barangay. Sa kabilang barangay tayo. Come na, Kanchi. You want us to carry you? Alam mo, tawa ko kayo, hindi naman. Nag-uusap kami ano sa injection. Ngayon may injection na bata. Guys, dito tayo sa kabilang barangay. Ayan. So ito, guys, yung sa kabilang barangay lang to. Kilala din nila ni Indira dito. Where is Kanchi Didi house? Kaya para I'm familiar because before we went there. Yeah, me and Ama and Deepak. Yeah. Ha? Yeah. Yeah. Oo, hindi man pala, it's not far. Yeah. Mag-hi tayo mamaya doon sa nagre-renta ng aming guys, farm. Parang sister yun ni Ama eh. Dito muna tayo. Injectionan siya. So ayun, guys, mag-ano muna kami dito ni Indira. Good luck, Kanchi. Yeah. Ayan, hindi rin ako titingin. I will not look. I take video, Kanchi, but I will not look. Oh, कसको? भाउजू दीपक दाईको बुढी चिन्नुहुन्छ? दीपक दाई सुभाष दाईको दाई विदेशी नि बाबु फिलिपिन्स हो हजुर रमाइलो भयो गर्मीले So ayun, guys, tapos na. How is it? Pinning? Yeah. Why not ask me? How is it? Si uncle nag-antay. जानु भाउ जानु हुँदैन त नि त्यो दिनु भन्दै थिए जानु भयो. So ito, guys, ibang sa kabilang barangay kami. Ang daming malunggay dito. Very beautiful this place, this other village. Kanchi din doon pala. Hindi ko alam kung kami ay makakapunta doon. Sumunta na kami ni Ama before dito. Tahimik lang, ano. itlog ni Indira. Kanchi, Indira Kanchi. Oh, Kanchi. In my vlog. Uncle Sores, brother ng daddy nila. Dito tayo dito. Dito na kami guys. So, katabi ko si Kuya. Ibigan nila ano. Bumili ako ng itlog. Marami namin mamaya lagyan ko ng kamatis. Anda. Bumili din pala siya ng itlog. Oh. Mas mura ang itlog dito. 400. Charse.
480.
400.
How much for?
480. At Mandong pants 500.
500.
Oh. Mura dito. Konti. So, uwi na tayo. See you doon sa bahay nila guys. Mais na, no? Corn. Yan. Corn season dito. Kaya lahat nag-harvest na ng mais. Yuhan. Dito tayo.
Ang sepatu dari ke ini ban? Hah? Jadi apa sih?
Parang atis yan sa loob. Parang atis daw kasi puti ito sa loob at black beans. Yan. At saka ano daw, sweet. Yan. Ang dami bunga pero walang dahon. Yan o. Guys, nagkakanya-kanya kami ni Yuhan. Nagilamos ako. Ito inaya ako nila. Kain daw kami ng chatpate. Kaya lakad-lakad kami apat dito. Sabi na kahit konti lang tayo maglakad kami. Ayun si Yuhan, hinayaan ko pa rin si Yuhan maglaro doon. Ayaw rin tumigil ni Yuhan sa kalaro. Mabuti yan at walang gadgets. So, lakad-lakad tayo. So, dito guys, kain sila ng chatpati. Chatpati.
Dai.
No, you eat. Please. No. You eat according to your taste. Okay. Chatpati, libay. Ayan yung mga ingredients niya. Green peas ya. Piats and alu. Yeah. And nilagyan niya ng wayway na noodles. More alu. Favorite ng Indira, more alu. So yan ang chatpati na tinatawag nila. Sauce. Yoko, til. Oil. Spoon nila iba. Spoon. Oh, spoon. Ready-made spoon. Okay, chatpati. Ayan. Digin. Thank you. Thank you, bye. Yan. Ola. Try. We'll try. Kain. Give it in. Nice. Eat. Yeah, I will eat. You eat first, three of you. In Mandira favorite. Yeah. So ito yung spoon natin. tayo guys. You did not put masala spicy. Yeah.
Green?
Now, fighting each other again, no, guys. So, lagi nag-aaway. But they are best friends. Away, silang dalawa lagi. Anak ni Santos, ano pa kamukha niya si Santos? Bili kami dito guys, mura lang guys ito. 80 per kilo. Pero grabe daw, sabi ni Indira, masakit sa mata to, kaya nga iniwa niya. Luha ka agad, you will cry direct.
Yeah.
Ayan, oh. Pero, bili kami half kilo. Ayan, sa kanila din pala ito. More than. More than half kilo. So guys, pauwi na kami guys. Alas 7 na dito. Because I'm late.
But I didn't download nothing.
Corn. Yay! Thank you. Thank you.
Boleh.
Boleh.